Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to fix the network problems on this device. Simply go to settings. Here you can see the option general. Tap on this one. Now scroll to bottom. Here you can see the option transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on this one. Now tap on the option reset. So here you can see some reset settings, and from the list of settings you have to select the option reset network settings. Enter your screen passcode. Here you can see this will delete all network settings, returning them to factory default. If you tap on the option reset network settings, it will be safe. That means it will not delete any of your personal information. It will reset only the network settings. Tap on the option reset network settings. Now the device is turned off. You can see. Now after a couple of seconds, you can easily restart our device. So if you are facing any network problem, simply in this way you can fix it. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.